Hello everyone, myself Simran Sheikh from Nilganga Ayurvedic Medical College. Today I am dealing with disease tholia, which can be correlated with small obesity in modern terminology. Now we will see definition of स्थौल्य. मेदो मासाते वृद्धत्वा चलसफिंग गुदरस्थन अदोपचय उत्साह नेरतिस्थौल्य उच्चते. The person is considered to be obese when there is an excessive increase in fat and muscle tissue in the region of buttocks, abdomen, and breast, which become pendulous and suffer from deficient metabolism and energy. Purvarup of स्थौल्य. None of Ayurvedic text has described the Purvarup of स्थौल्य. Acharya Charak in Nidan Sthana has mentioned similar pathogenesis of Prameya and Medo-roga, reason being that in both of them the vitiation of Kapha and Medas in their Purvarup can be considered as Purvarup of स्थौल्य. They are Atinidra, Tandra, Alasya, Angagorav, Atisveda. Nidana, the cause or etiology. According to Ayurveda, Aharaja, Viharaja, Mansik, Anya. आहारचे include अति संपूर्ण गुरु शीत स्निग्ध मधुर आहार. विहारचे include अव्यायाम अवायाव दिवा स्वप्न. मानसिक include अचिंता हर्षिता. अन्य include बीज दोष. अन्य बीज means from the genetics and dosha the dosha which vitiated in the person. संप्राप्ती of स्थौल्य निदान सेवन includes मधुर रस स्निग्ध आहार दिवा स्वप्न अव्यायाम अचिंता which leads to कफो दोष वृद्धि which leads to मेदो धातु अग्निमंद्य which leads to मेदो धातु वृद्धि. दोष कफवात विकल्प संप्राप्ति गुरु स्निग्ध शीत गुणाज ऑफ कफ दोषा. दुष्य मेद मांसरस श्रोतस मेदव मांसव रसव. श्रोतदृष्टी प्रकार संग रोगमार्ग बाह्य विकल्प स्थान सर्व शरीर. Rupa, the specific sign. The Rupa manifests in fifth stage of Vyadikriya Kal. Charak Samhita mentions the cardinal symptom of स्थौल्य as Prathama Lakshana, Medamamsa, Tivruddhi, Chalasvinga, Chalaudara, Chalastana. Beside the Lakshana, 8 detrimental of स्थौल्य have been explained by Acharya Charaka. Ashtamahadosha, Ayusharasa, Choprada, Krichavayava, Dorbalya, Dorgandha, Sweda Abhada, Kushyadi Mantra, Pipasa Yoga. Now we will see BMI index less than 18.5 underweight, 18.5 to 24.9 normal, 25 to 29 overweight, 30 to 34 obese, more than 35 extremely obese. This is the BMI index which shows the ratios of obese. Now we will see a case study. The patient name is Sudha Rani, age is 40 years, height is 158 cm, weight is 83 kg, BP is 80 by 120 mm of Hg, pulse is 80 beats per minute. Occupation housewife, address Post Colony Pune. Complaints of weight gain, heaviness in body, excessive perspiration, laziness, tiredness, excessive sleep, increased hunger and thirst. Now we will see history of past illness of patient. No complaints of diabetes mellitus, hypertension, brachydactyly, but subsidal hypothyroidism since the 6 months. Past abortion 15 years back. No addiction, no any drug allergy. Present history. Healthy before 3 years. Gradually observed that increase in weight. Svedobandha, Gurugrata, polydipsia, polyphagia, feeling laziness. अष्टविध परीक्षा नाडी प्रकृत, मल प्रकृत, मूत्र प्रकृत, जीवा प्रकृत, शब्द प्रकृत, स्पर्श, अनुष्ण शीत, दिक प्रकृत, आकृती स्थौल्य. दशविध परीक्षा includes प्रकृती विकृती सार संहान प्रमाण सात्म्य सत्व आहार शक्ती व्यायाम वय. प्रकृती वातकफ विकृती समान वातकफ सार मांस समान मध्यम प्रमाण. हाइट इज 158 cm, weight 83 kg, BMI 33.2. सात्म्य सर्व सात्म्य सत्व मध्यम आहार शक्ती अवर विहार शक्ती प्रवर. एज इज 40 years. Treatment. As the स्थौल्य is considered as santarpanajanya vikaram, Apatarpana become its special regimen considering the hetus of patient which leads to kapha dosha predominance and vata prakopa by avrodhajanya samprapti. The following treatment protocol was given: पाचन, उद्वर्तन, स्वेदन, कफ उल्लेक्ष आहार, संध्यावमन, धूमपान, संस्कारजन्य कर्म, रुक्षण, बस्ती. This all treatment is given. During the treatment, scheduled patient was instructed to follow Nidana Parivarjanya, Pathyakar Ahara and Pathyakar Vihara. Results: there was remarkable reduction in symptoms like Utsahani and Guru Grahata after Sandhya Vamana, but there was mild reduction in other symptoms which got significant relief after Rukshana and Basti Chikitsa. Now, Pathya Apathya for Stolya. Pathya, Shrama, Jagrana, Vayav, नित्यभ्रमण, चिंतन, शोक, क्रोध. अपथ्य फॉर द स्थौल्य: शीतल जलस्नान, दिवास्वप्न, अवयाम, अवयाव, स्वप्न प्रसंग, शुकशय, नित्यहर्ष, अचिंतन. पथ्य which should follow, apatya which should avoid. Conclusion: Stolya can be successfully managed with Ayurvedic apatarpana chikitsa. In present case study, combined use of Nidana Parijanya Shodhana Rukshana Basti Chikitsa as per dosha avastha give remarkable relief to the patient with significant weight reduction. To prevent relapse, patient was advised to follow Patyakar, Ahara and Vihara. Thank you everyone for listening.